So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can transfer funds from Metamask to Trust Wallet. You can transfer USDT or any other crypto using this method. So let's get started. As you can see, I have 15 USDT in my Metamask wallet, and I'll show you how you can transfer this to Trust Wallet. So open your Trust Wallet, then click this plus icon, which is basically for receiving funds. Then select the option receive from another wallet. Here in the search bar, type USDT. Be careful to choose the correct network. Since I have funds in the BNB Smart Chain, I'll select this one. Now copy the address and go to Metamask. Click on send. Then choose the same USDT in BNB network. Here enter the amount you want to send. For example, I'll select max. Then continue. Next, you need to paste the address you copied earlier from Trust Wallet. Then click on review. And after that, click on confirm. Now the transaction is being processed. Once you see the message confirm, go to your Trust Wallet and wait a bit to receive the funds. Then refresh the page. And as you can see, the funds have arrived. And that's the easiest way you can transfer USDT or any other crypto from Metamask to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.